Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this burger outfit hack on Dress to Impress. So we are going to use the cupcake outfit for this hack. I'm just going to use this. Then for the bottom, you're going to color it like, I guess, what a burger patty color would be like. The second one would be the like bun. I'm just going to use this color. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. Then for the sprinkles, I'll just use these for the sesame seeds. Then what you're going to want to do next is use this for the lettuce. Actually, we're going to do red for the tomato sauce or the tomato. I don't know. I'm just going to go to the code item here, like the changing rooms. Then we are going to select this outfit. Let's toggle it to type 2 and delete the bow. I'm going to color it yellow for the cheese and then the rest for the burger, well, the lettuce like so. Then for the hat, I am going to use, sorry, it's just really hard to find where everything is because of the update, but I'll manage. Use this in the dots pattern. I'm trying to find it. I know it's like somewhere down here because there's been new patterns and I forgot to load them apparently. Hello, please load. Fine, I'll just load this first. And we're going to color it the like beef patty. And then we're going to use, oh my gosh, where's everything honestly? And we're going to use this for the lettuce. Sorry, I'm just waiting for like everything to like load. Does that hat even show? No. Come on, where is it? Where's the pattern? I'm trying to find it. I'm so sorry. I have not loaded this yet. Oh my gosh, this is a new pattern. I just realized. Wow, there's some. Oh, they probably reworked it. Did they? Oh no, they still had it. It's this one. You'll need to add that on. I don't know where the other hat is, but there's supposed to be one for yellow. What about this one? No. Oh, it's this one. I'm so sorry. Is this one over here? Delete the ribbon. I'm just going to color it yellow for the cheese. Wait, where did the other hat go? Here it is. Sorry. But yeah, that is it. That is the burger outfit hack on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.